Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be playing Toca Boca. And yeah, we're going to be doing an RP with Lila and Alex. I'll tell you your names then. I'll tell you their names after. Oh my god.
Toca Boca.
Wow. Look at this. Look, I'm getting my finger in this up. Circle his head, guys. Circle him. Right. One place. I'm gonna do all types of roleplays. So the video might be a little long. Time to get that. What's that? We're gonna give him that. So this is the people that live here. There's only meant to be this old lady, and wait, let's see if there's any more space. Yeah. This is there. He will be that. Yeah. Some stuff down on the valley. What's this? What is this? Can someone help me pick that up? Give me all your friends. Oh yes! Chicken on her hair, like go might wake up. I really like this place. I'm not lying. It's very nice. Roasted, toasted, and I breakfast for roasted. Toca? Yeah, I want to roll play. What's in here? You're ready to leave now. Don't swim. Don't swim. Don't swim. What the hell? Okay. Oh, wait, I wanna go there. I wanna go there. We go on the train. I'm shaking my bum cheek right now. No. Should I feed it to me? Where is me? None of those are me. I put a person on this list. It's now me. Then get the mommy. What are you like? Well, Ashley. I named her Ashley, but she's new. My name is Izzy. Oh yeah. Here's a donut, Ashley. So then be taking Ashley So is that what this looks like? Actually. Alright. This girl has like a basketball and a what is that? Is that like mice? Where are you? Lashley. I can call you Lashley. I call you Lashley and Ashley. Okay, get inside. Right. Down to get the Maui Wowie. It needs to be bright on it. What have I been doing? Why is that baby sleeping? Okay, this is a little bit Ashley, right? It's done. Oh, the sweetie. Time to get that Maui Wowie. Wait, no, go. I wanna go to a different place. That's what I mean. No, like, okay. No. Yeah, I wanna say it. I know. Trying to get that Maui Wowie. Then I wanna now I wanna yes, day. Thank you. Trying to get that no. I don't know what this does. I'm saying no. Oh, look, it's so hot. Bye, house. If someone is in there, they're probably gonna die because I'm not letting any air out for them. So those curtains. Like, I don't get to look outside because it's raining. The rain is not moving. It's like, are you trying to trick me while I'm sleeping? Hey there, I want to speak to your manager. I'm a Karen. I want to speak to your manager. Well, let's check. I want to slap you. Get the going over. I'm so annoyed with that girl that I want to get her stuff going over. Let's put it over there. Wait, right there. Perfect. I want a drink. Please don't. I want a donut too. Make it make sense. Gotta get them out. Girl, you're gonna die. Wait a minute. What am I pouring this into? What am I pouring that into? What the hell? Wait. And get it. Turn off. Thank you. Thank you. Sleeping diaper. I just give it go up. Was that blood? Don't get that me. Don't get that Maui Wowie. The Maui. So there's a girl in my school called Riri. Well, her name's Rima, but I call her Riri. And sometimes it's a joke, I call her Wee. I call her the W-E-E and then W-E-E. Santa Claus, I got you drinky. What? Now we